Hi, I'm Kim Goya, and I'm so glad you're joining me here for Yoga with Meditation Mutha. Rest is so incredibly important for our road to recovery. So whether you are having a busy day, or you want to get ready for bed, or you had a real hard physical workout, this practice is for you. So let's get started.
Yoga for everybody with Meditation Mutha.
So we are going to move into a practice where we are laying on the ground and we're going to be sending our awareness to different parts of our body to help us really unwind and have some deep relaxation and some full rest. So let's start by taking it all the way down onto our backs. You can slowly lower down onto the mat. Extend the legs, separate the feet, and let your ankles roll wide. Maybe your palms face up, shoulders are rolled open. Gently close the eyes. And we're going to just have a very natural breath, if it feels comfortable, entering and leaving the nose. Bring awareness to the sensation of your breath going in and out of the nose without any real direction, just bringing awareness to that sensation. And then noticing your connection with the earth, your hips and shoulder blades and ankles and feet, backs of the arms, the head. Feeling very grounded. And with every exhale, we're going to start to visualize that our body is sinking more towards the earth. So the focus on our breath is on the exhale, and with every exhale, we're just releasing, surrendering. We're going to start to move throughout the body to find full relaxation in every cell of your being. So let's start to bring your awareness to the very tips of your toes. And with your exhale, just surrendering any gripping or holding on, all the way down at the very tips of the toes. We're going to start to feel the sensation on the bottoms of the feet. And with every exhale, just letting go. And bringing your attention to the tops of the feet and the shins and calves. Start to surrender any gripping. Moving our way up to the thighs, the front and back of the leg. Can you soften just a little bit more towards the earth on the exhale? And noticing your hips. Sinking the glutes and releasing any gripping in the hips. Follow your exhale as you soften more towards the earth. And bringing awareness to your low belly, surrendering any holding on or gripping in this space. And releasing it towards the earth on the exhale. Noticing your core, your organs, softening more towards the earth. Bringing awareness to your heart center, your shoulders and chest. Allowing the shoulders and chest to roll open and letting go of any residual tension in the body right at your heart center. Relaxing the shoulders down towards the earth. And we'll move into the backs of the arms, the forearms, hands and fingers. Just feeling like they're very heavy. And as you exhale, releasing any tension in the body. And noticing the energy around the throat and jaw. Softening the muscles of the face. And just allowing any energies to release towards the earth. Letting go of any residual tension. Moving up to the crown of the head. And with your final breaths, just letting go of anything that no longer serves you. And we're just going to allow with the next few breaths to run freely through the body. Noticing if there's any residual gripping or tension and just breathing some space into that area. And surrendering your body more towards the earth. Have a few more breaths here on your own, letting go. Feeling fully at ease. Your entire body encompasses peace, tranquility, and relaxation. And feeling free to stay here for as long as you desire. Or when you're ready, wiggling the fingers and toes, ankles and wrists. And bending the knees. Slowly making your way over to one side. And just rest your head and your arm in the fetal position for a moment. Just pause here. Enjoying just a few more moments of full, deep relaxation and rest. And slowly pushing into the hands, coming all the way up to seated. Gently close the eyes for a moment and just tune in and notice how your body feels and your mind. We'll bring the hands to heart center, bow the mind to the heart. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me here today. I'm Kim Goyette, your Meditation Mutha. I would love to hear how you feel after this practice, so please drop a comment. And if you're interested in getting the first weekly videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring the bell so that you can be notified when the next video comes about. If you want to learn about yoga retreats happening all around the world, please check out my website at www.meditationmutha.com. Thanks so much. See you next time.